Hello students, welcome in video series of chapter 1 Introduction to Java Programming. In this video I am going to cover history of Java programming and features of Java programming language. First point is history of Java programming language. James Gosling invented a Java programming language. James Gosling and his team contains Patrick Norton, Chris Worth, Ed Frank and Mike Sheldon at Sun Microsystem USA in 1991. It took 18 months for inventing first working version of Java programming language. Initially, this language was called Oak, but after that it was renamed as Java in 1995. The next point is features of Java programming. There are number of features for Java programming language. First one is it is simple programming language. It's easy for learn as well as understand. It is portable, platform independence, dynamic and distributed programming language. It follows the object-oriented modeling concepts. Java, it is a robust programming language. It supports for multi-threading. It is a secure programming language. It improves the scalability and performance of application development. Java programming language, it is compiled as well as interpreted. Then we can see one by one features. First feature is simple. Java, it is a simple programming language because Java is similar to C and C++. Means here syntax, then data types, some control structures are similar to C and C++ programming language. So those people who are familiar with C and C++ programming language are easier to learn Java. Then second feature is robust. In Java programming there are number of new features are added. One is automatic garbage collection. Then next one is exception handling or error handling. Then in Java programming language we cannot use the pointers, means pointers concepts are removed from Java. So this is simple memory management model is used for programming. So Java creates highly reliable applications. Then third one feature is platform independence. Platform means where we have to run the programs. Java programs can be executed on different operating systems or machines. It is based on write once, run anywhere concept. The next feature of Java programming language is portable. Portable means easily we have to move the program from one machine to another, or have one machine to another machine, or having different operating systems. So it is a architectural neutral and it supports for implementation of dependent aspects of specification. Then it is interpreted language, means Java it is compiled as well as interpreted language, means for execution of Java program we use the compiler as well as interpreter. That's shown in this diagram, that is Java source code, that is our program, and having extension .java. We use the Java C compiler for compilation of that program. Then after the compilation Java bytecode is created, having the extension .class file is created. Then we use the interpreters for execution of this program. Then after interpretation .class file is converted into .exe file for execution. And Java bytecode means it is understandable code for Java virtual machines. The next feature is Java. It is a secure programming language, because in Java there we cannot use the pointers. So without that, Java ensures that program cannot access to memory location without proper authorization or access. The next one is most important feature of Java is object oriented concept, or Java it is based on object oriented modeling. Object means here data and their behavior. Behavior means functions. Java can be easily extended by using the object oriented modeling concepts. Means Java programming language is best or written, everything is in object format, and it follows the bottom up approach for programming. The next one feature is dynamic. It supports for dynamic programming, means it supports for dynamic linking in between new classes, objects and methods, because in Java there are everything will be written in the class objects format, and object contains the data as well as behavior or functions. The next feature of Java is scalability and portability. Java it provides the high portability as well as it improves the scalability due to the use of bytecode, then new concepts that is multi-threading, exception handling, etc. Java next feature is distributed language. Java is also a distributed language. Program can be designed to run on computer networks. For networking purpose, there are special class libraries are provided for communication with TCP/IP protocols. That is Java.NET packages, built-in packages available in Java programming language. Next feature is multi-threaded. Java it supports for multi-threading programming. Multi means many and thread means it is a small part or unit of program. Then with multi-threading features, it is possible to write program that can perform many tasks simultaneously. Thank you for watching this video.